Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make chicken pilaf, chicken Pilau. For this recipe, you would need 1 whole chicken cut into medium-sized pieces, half an onion, half a tomato, few carrots, 2 mushrooms. Now add 8 cups of the broth. And when it comes to boil, ginger. Add the rice. 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. 1 cinnamon stick. 2 teaspoons whole and cook coriander on medium to high heat. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon black peppercorn. 4 to 5 cloves. 2 black cardamom. 1 star anise, 1 piece of mace, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons salt, 12 cups of water. In a large pot, add water. Add chicken, onion, carrots, mushroom, tomato, ginger and garlic. Now add in rest of the spices. Boil on high heat for about 15 minutes. For the rice, you would need 1 medium sliced onion, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 4 to 5 cloves, some black peppercorn, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, few pieces of cinnamon stick, 3/4 cup of oil. Add oil, next add the onions, cook on medium to high heat until the onions are golden brown. Now add in all your spices. Now add in your chicken. Fry your chicken for a few minutes on medium to high heat. Now add 8 cups of the broth, and when it comes to boil, add the rice. And cook on medium to high heat. Cook until the broth is dry and clear bubbles start to form. Cook on high heat. Now that the broth is dried, cover and cook on 350 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven for 15 minutes. You can enjoy this with bundi raita or chutney. I will have the link for those videos in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.